Hi students, I want to show you how to do your writing activity. You can find it right here on the front page underneath the picture here, or you can go into classwork and you can go into, you can scroll up and you're going to see that we have week 3. Okay, so I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger for you. It's not going to work. Okay. So we can see that it's due April 19th at 1 o'clock. That's Tuesday when school starts. And it says here, write 5 sentences to answer these questions. Take a picture and share with me in WhatsApp or write on the document that is attached. Watch the video to see what I do. Make sure you come back to this assignment and turn in. Okay, I'll just make it a little bigger. Okay. So now here we've got, I'm going to click on view assignment. Okay, so when I'm done, I need to click turn in. So I've got questions here to answer. I can write them over here in my notebook, and then take a picture, send in WhatsApp. Or I can click here and it takes me to the Google document. Okay, and it says the same thing. And so I've got, oops. What holiday do you celebrate? Easter, Ramadan, or other? Okay, so right here you can start typing, I celebrate Easter with a period, okay? When do you celebrate it? And you start typing your answer. I celebrate it. You type your answer and stop. You can scroll down a little. What do you eat? So we eat, I said we eat turkey, mashed potatoes, gravy, vegetables, stuffing, oh, I'm getting hungry, and dessert. Where do you celebrate? Okay, so I'm going to write my answer. We celebrate in my home, and so I'm going to type that. I'm just pretending, and a period. I'm going to scroll down over here. How do we celebrate? Okay, so what do we do? That means, so maybe we get together and we eat a meal and we talk and the children look for Easter eggs. Okay, so now when I'm done with this, I can click turn in right here, turn in. Okay, and it says, oh, do you want to turn it in? Yes, turn in. And now I can see that it's turned in here, okay? And then I click here, and just to check, I can click on classwork, and I can go view my work, and I can go down here, and it says, oh, writing 5 sentences turned in. So that is how you do this activity. So I'll take you back to the main page. That is how you do this writing 5 sentences.